everyone. Welcome to Power Brain TV. Subscribe for more videos and get faster notification of the video. Please like, subscribe, comment and share. Class 7 Computer Chapter 6 HTML. Questions and answers. Exercise 1. Choose the most suitable alternative. A. Which one of the following tags is used to change the appearance of text in an HTML document? I less than tr greater than. E less than all greater than. E less than li greater than. IV none of these. Answer IV none of these. B. Which of the following tags is used to create grid of rows? I less than TD greater than. E less than TM greater than. E less than TR greater than. IV less than TL greater than. Answer E less than TR greater than. C. Which of the following is not an attribute of the less than img greater than tag? I src. E. Align. E. Border. IV href. Answer IV href. D. Which command do we use to add an image in HTML code? I less than img src equals URL greater than. E less than image src equals URL greater than. E less than src img equals URL greater than. IV less than img src equals URL greater than. Answer I less than img src equals URL. 2. Fill in the blanks. A. GIF stands for Graphics Interface File. B. href stands for Hypertext Reference. C. Less than marquee greater than tag is used for scrolling text or image. D. JPEG stands for Joint Photographic Expert Group. A. Height attribute is used to specify the height of the image in pixels or percentage. 3. Answer these questions in brief. A. What is the use of alt attribute in less than img greater than tag? Answer. The alt attribute provides alternative information for an image if a user for some reason cannot view it because of slow connection, an error in the src attribute, or if the user uses a screen reader. B. What is wrong with the less than img src equals ABC? GIF align equals center greater than. Answer: there is wrong in alignment attribute because the image tag only supports left, right, top, bottom and middle alignment. So, align equals center is wrong. C. Describe some attributes of the less than marquee greater than tag. Answer: specific attributes. Attribute value description. Behavior scroll slide alternate defines the type of scrolling. BG color RGB X hashtag XX coloning deprecated minus defines the direction of scrolling the content. Direction up down left right defines the direction of scrolling the content. Height pixels or percent defines the height of marquee. D. Can you set an image in the center of the page using cent tag? If not, then how can you do so? Answer: you can center a picture by enclosing the less than img greater than tag in the less than center greater than less than center greater than tags. This action centers that, and only that, picture on the web page. A. Differentiate between internal linking and external linking of web pages. Answer: in the context of link building, the term internal links refers to hyperlinks that connect one page of a website to another page within the same website. On the other hand, external links refer to hyperlinks that point from a web page on one website to a web page on another website. Thanks for watching with Power Brain TV. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, subscribe, share,